slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Tissue, biology, all living organism made up of cell. Cell, a unicellular organum single e.g. amoeba, paramecium, single cell perform all basic life activities like digestion, metabolism, respiration and excretion all are done by the same cell. Multicellular made up of many cell, e.g. human, animal, muscle cell contract and relax to cause movement of body. The cell phloem conduct and release food from leaf to other part of plant. The term tissue coined by Bichart in 1972 study of called histology. Father of histology Marie-François Xavier Bichet. Founder of histology Marcello Malpighi, histology term coined by May 1899. The group of cells similar in structure that work together to perform particular function. All cells of a tissue have common origin human nervous tissue, present in brain, which are basically same structure and function. Nerve cells basically have cell body and soma. Two type of branches, first dendrites, to receive message, second axon, to convey message to the brain. All neuron of nervous tissue originated from the same germinal layer called ectoderm. Importance of tissue. 1. Formation of tissue divide labor in multicellular organism. 2. Tissue become organized tissue organ into organ system. Plant are autotrophic, which make their own food, by the process photosynthesis. Animal are heterotrophic, he move here and there in search of food. Plant tissue. In plant dead supportive tissue are more abundant as compared to living tissue. They require less maintain energy. Due to activity of meristematic and permanent tissue continue to grow throughout. Organization of plant tissue is simple. Animal tissue. In multicellular living tissue are present. They require more food. Animal do not show growth after reach mature. Plant tissue can be divided into two parts. Meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. First, meristematic tissue also divide into three parts. Apical, lateral and intercalary. Apical found in tips of roots and stem. Or lateral found in below bark, cambium, in dicot root and stem. Last intercalary it is found in internodes of stem. And then permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is these type of tissue which are incapable for cell division. Permanent tissue can be divided into two. First part is simple and second part is complex. And then simple permanent tissue also divided into three parts. First is parenchyma, second is parenchyma, and third is sclerenchyma. And then complex tissue also divided into two parts. First is phloem, and second is xylem. Totipotent cells are capable of giving rise to all the various cell type of the body of an organism. Let's come to these all parts in detail. Meristematic tissue, what it is or why it matters. Meristematic tissue, also called meristem, is a kind of plant tissue whose cells are always dividing. These tissues are responsible for the growth of plants, in length, width, etc. Key characteristics of meristematic cells. Cells are small and similar in shape, could be spherical, oval, polygonal, etc. They have thin cell walls made of cellulose, so new cells can be formed easily. No intercellular spaces, cells are tightly packed. Large and prominent nuclei, to support division. Dense cytoplasm, with little or no vacuole. Cells are alive and actively dividing, unlike many permanent tissues. Types of meristematic tissue, based on location. Meristematic tissue is classified based on where it is in the plant. The three main types are, type apical meristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristem. About apical meristem. Location, at the tips of roots and stems, apices. Function, role helps in increasing length, primary growth, of plant organs. Lateral meristem location, along the sides, in stems and roots, e.g. cambium. Function, role, responsible for thickness, girth, secondary growth, of stems or roots. Intercalary meristem, location, at base of leaves or internodes, especially in grasses, monocots. Function, role, helps in elongation of stems and leaves from intermediate regions. What is permanent tissue? Permanent tissues are formed when cells from meristematic tissue lose the ability to divide and become specialized for particular functions. This process is called differentiation. In permanent tissues, cells have a definite shape, size, and function. Permanent tissues may contain living cells or dead cells depending on their type and role. Thank you to watching this lecture. Like, subscribe and share.